So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download a Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver. This is search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard. This is required B450M DS3H Wi-Fi. Then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Select your operating system which is you require. Okay, so all this operating system installations process same. So audio driver, you can see this is audio driver and click to download. It will start downloading. It will click on the download. So it is completed. After that, open and double click to open. Then find out the setup.exe. Just double click. Then click on yes. Then next to install it. Okay, this should not come to your system. Then chipset. So AMD chipset driver and click to download. Always try to latest one. This is same which is downloading. And it is completed. Just click to open and double click to launch. This is chipset driver and click on yes. Now this is extracting. And then click to OK. Now this is easy. This is closed and installed. LAN. Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. And then open it and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. So this is close means this is installed, and then close it. So first Bluetooth driver. and click to download. And double click to and then close it. Wi-Fi driver. So click to download. Double open. And double click to exe. Then yes. And then close it.